everybody? Welcome to Drew in the Moment. This is a very, very cool and special video that we're doing today. We are going to be unboxing the Haunted Mansion light up chess set. I am so happy that I was able to get this. I have been looking at this for a while now. It was $99 originally, and I just couldn't pull the trigger on $99. It was just a lot of money. But as of April 9th, when we were at Disney Springs, we found this in the World of Disney for half the price. $49.99 plus, don't forget, if you are an annual pass holder, you get your annual pass holder discount on it as well. So it's even cheaper than $49.99. This thing is just, I'm so happy. I'm a big chess guy. I love chess. I don't know how you guys feel, but for any chess fan, and especially a Haunted Mansion fan, as you can tell, I'm a Haunted Mansion fan. This is a must buy, especially for that price. Looking at it right off the bat, it has one light up chessboard, 16 white chess pieces, 16 blue chess pieces, and one USB cable. Because I was curious when we bought this, does it take batteries, or like what's the deal? Is it charged? So obviously it has a USB. So we're gonna have to check that out. Obviously when it gets darker, we're gonna show you guys how cool it looks. But without further ado, let's start unboxing this thing. I want to see the pieces. They look pretty darn cool. So let's get into this right now. I did already cut the tape up here just so you guys didn't have to see me struggle the whole time. Oh, and I actually missed a couple tape on the side, but my lovely wife is gonna come to the rescue in just a second so I can get into this box, because I know you guys are waiting patiently. All right, here we go. I've got it. Make sure. So I don't want to cut the box because the box is, you know, keeps it looking fancy, really, you know, and make it a collectible, because beyond just using it and playing with it, I want to keep it as a collectible, you know. All right. Oh, I am so excited. I hope you guys are too. I gotta find the best way to open this thing. I guess just like that. Okay. We have got our USB cable. So we got that going on. All right. And the board, ooh, feels very, very light. Look, it's like Christmas. I get to open it up. All right, well, let's just get right into the chessboard part of it. Oh yeah, look at this. Let me get that out of the way just for a second. So it's very ghostly looking. Look at that, and look at the designs right on the side here. Tell me how cool that is. So awesome. I love that. Oh, that makes me so happy. That is so awesome. All right, so we got that. We got our USB cord. Now let's get into all of the characters that they have. I think there's more to this than I actually initially thought, to be honest with you. All right, so there's like no easy way to do it. Oh, there, I got some scissors. You gotta have scissors on hand, guys. You gotta have scissors for the unboxings. You think I would have been prepared, but you guys know me, and if you don't know me, I try to be prepared, but it doesn't always work out that way. Okay, I think I can slide these out, maybe? This is quite a battle. I think I'm just gonna have to cut that like that. Instead of Drew in the moment, it's Drew struggles in the moment. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Madame Leota. She looks amazing. That's fantastic. the Hatbox Ghost. That is so cool. I love that they have the Hatbox Ghost in here, and that they're also gonna have the Hatbox Ghost coming to Disney World in the actual ride Haunted Mansion. Super pumped about that. Now let's just keep going down the line. See these other ones, and later on I'm gonna have to figure out which pieces are like the rooks, the queen. I'm guessing Madame Leota, probably the queen, maybe? I don't know, I could be wrong. Could be wrong. So we've got the raven, I think it's a raven or a crow, and the, I forget what these are called. I don't know, a bat. It's a bat. Look at these things, these are so cool, man. Oh, I love that. I love that. And I noticed too, there's a huge box that is filled with all of them. The ones that I'm taking out are the ones that they, show you on the box. So we've got the white ones. Ooh, I think I might even like the white ones better. Make sure I have my scissors that I keep losing. Oh, there they are. But in the comments, let me know if you guys are chess players and how long you've been playing chess. Because I've been playing chess since I was, I think 14 or 15, somewhere around there. I actually played for a little while on the school chess team. But it actually got a little too competitive for me, believe it or not. I'm a really competitive person, but it got pretty competitive. But look at these. These are the white ones. So we got blue and white. Make sure I don't dump these all over the place. Okay. There we go. So we get the white Hatbox Ghost. That's pretty cool. And white Madame Leota. I wonder if the white ones maybe glow a little bit more under the light than the blue ones do. These are so cool, man. Oh yeah, I'm already super happy with the purchase for the price. I can't complain. Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh, that's awesome! Super cool, man. Look at that. I'm gonna try to lift it up so you guys can see it without dumping them all over the place. Wow. So you know what? In my opinion, they saved, for me personally, they saved the best for last. We've got the hitchhiking ghosts, man. Let's make some room down here. Let's make some room for the hitchhiking ghosts. They look awesome. Oh my goodness, man. And then we have some of the characters I'm not sure. I know of them, I just don't know the names. Like this one right here. Looks pretty cool, but I don't know the name. Maybe you guys do. You guys are maybe a little bit, more well-versed. That looks pretty cool. Bam! So they've got those and some more, more of like the bats and stuff. So obviously these are the pawns. The bats and the crows or whatever. But I'm curious to see. I'm going to see if in the instructions they tell you which piece is which. Because that's always helpful. Make sure I didn't lose. I think I lost the instructions. I'm going to have to look for those. So of course, I have no idea where the directions are. Or instructions. They were in the box, then they disappeared. But anyway, I looked at the box so I could let you guys know. I'm going to tell you all the pieces and what they are. So you have your pawn, you have your rook, you have your knight, you have your bishop, your king, and your queen. So I was correct about, at least with Madame Leota, she is the queen, as I think she should be. But now we're going to set up the chessboard, turn off the lights maybe, dim it down a little bit so you guys can see it all lit up and awesome. And just wanted to show you guys. So here's the cord. You got this little guy, you plug it in, and then you plug it into, you know, an adapter or whatever your power source is. So we're gonna do that right now. So here she is. Look at her in her Haunted Mansion glow. This is awesome. I cannot wait to actually play a game on this board. It's just super fun. It's something different, you know. The only thing that I think is gonna be a difficult thing to, eventually I'll be fine with it, but I had owned a Simpson chessboard a long time ago. The problem was realizing which pieces are which pieces, you know what I mean? Because these are different characters. It's not your normal, obviously, chess pieces. So I think it's just a little getting used to. Obviously the king and queen and the pawns are gonna be easy to manage. It's the other, you know, bishop, rook, and the knight that's going to take time getting used to. But this thing is awesome, man. But you know what? Now I want to see this in the dark. What do you guys think? Yeah, I know you guys want to see it right in the pitch black. So we are going to do that right about now. So it gets even spookier in the pitch black. But this is awesome. So you can have it, you know, like in the middle of the night, if you want to get spooky, you know, play a game of chess, and it's all lit up. This thing is awesome. This is definitely a good purchase. I'm really happy about this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments too. If you think it's worth the price, and if you think it's cool. I just think it's awesome. I love chess, and Haunted Mansion, hello, it's my favorite. So it was kind of a no-brainer for me. So that has been the unboxing journey. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it got you all pumped up to maybe go get yourself a Haunted Mansion chessboard. Like I said before, it was $99 originally, marked down half price to $49.99. I used my annual pass holder discount to get it for even cheaper. I think it's worth $50. I don't think, honestly, my real opinion, I don't think it was ever worth $100. I think maybe $60 at the most, maybe $65. Really great. It's a really great board and everything, but $100 was just a little too much, and that's why I initially didn't get it the first time I saw it, even though I loved it. But yeah, great chessboard. Super happy about it, and thank you guys for watching the video. We hope you consider subscribing to our channel. We have a lot of fun on this channel, I'm telling you. Ask the people that watch. They have a lot of fun. We make them have fun. We tell them this: you're not allowed to leave until you have a good time. But yes, thank you for watching, and maybe you can watch another video that we might have up at the end of this. Maybe click on it, check it out. But until we see you next time, guys, remember, there's only one way to live: in the moment, with an awesome Haunted Mansion chessboard. Ooh.